opening statement.
Thank you, Chairwoman Stevens, and good afternoon. And thank you for convening this hearing to examine the U.S. Department of Transportation's surface transportation research, development, and technology. All of us on this committee are aware of the issues which face our nation's infrastructures. I see it regularly on my drives back and forth between Greencastle, Indiana, and D.C., and the anticipated cost of its restoration. To effectively address these challenges, we must support and maintain a healthy, substantive research agenda that informs our state and local transportation initiatives. The research and development activities supported by the DOT are vital to the nation's prosperity. They strengthen critical infrastructure and enhance our economic competitiveness and enrich our own way of life. In 2019, DOT will sponsor more than $1 billion worth of research, development, and technology deployment that will have an influence, a majority focused on surface modes of transportation. Advancement in materials and technology can help achieve long-term cost savings by reducing congestion, improving durability, and the lifespan of transportation projects. Today's hearing will be an opportunity for this committee to examine our nation's research, development, and technology priorities and to learn more about policy issues for the future of surface transportation. It will also provide a chance to hear about research being conducted by the universities and the private sector and how these advancements are being utilized by state and local governments. I'm glad to welcome Dr. Darcy Bullock from my home state of Indiana, who will take and talk about the work of the Joint Transportation Research Program. JTRP is facilitating public-private partnerships among public agencies, academia, and industry to conduct research and testing that is solving real-world transportation problems in Indiana and across the nation. The innovative research and new technology advancements generated by JTRP has saved billions of dollars and thousands of lives in Indiana as well as around the United States. For example, JTRP developed traffic signal performance measures that have been integrated into almost every new traffic signal control system in the United States. These Purdue performance measures allow agency personnel to assess the quality of traffic signal performance, including identifying locations with high volume of red light running, and adjust accordingly to keep our roads safe and running as smoothly as possible. The work done at JTRP is a great example of how science can yield solutions. It shows how efficient, targeted research and development can help develop new innovative ideas and technologies that will make our transportation systems safer. Today's hearing is the first step for the committee in considering and developing the next reauthorization of federal surface transportation research, development, and technology programs. As we move through the process, this committee must ask difficult questions to determine how best to address the issues facing our sagging and aging infrastructure within the limitations of our current budget environment. I hope today's hearing will help us guide DOT to set the R&D priorities and chart a course for strategic plan that will address our nation's most urgent transportation needs. I would like to thank all of our witnesses for coming today and for sharing your thoughts on how to improve our transportation networks and research activities. Thank you, and I yield back the balance of my time.